Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change name on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom tabs, we have the Explorer, we have the Hub, we have, of course, the map, likes, and in the bottom right corner, lastly, we have the chat, as you can, of course, go and see. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your name on Happn. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So firstly, to do so, you need to go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. And after that, what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to go and click on the edit. Here you have your name, click on edit. And here you can edit your profile picture and whatever you want, hobbies, everything, age, everything. So about you, so all the things about you and yourself are here. And you can, of course, go and change them. You can, of course, click on the name and the picture to go and change them. And of course, that will be then applied and you will have your name changed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.